Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warcraft 3 like a pro. To truly excel, begin by mastering hotkeys and control groups. This allows for lightning-fast unit commands. You should always be producing workers from your main building to ensure a robust economy. Furthermore, understanding the unique strengths and weaknesses of each of the 4 races is absolutely crucial for strategic decision-making. Finally, consistent scouting provides invaluable insights into your opponent's build and intentions, giving you a significant edge. The early game sets the stage for victory. Focus on executing a precise opening build order, which can vary significantly between the 4 races. Efficiently creeping neutral camps is vital for leveling up your hero and acquiring powerful items, often providing a 2 to 3 level advantage. Consider early harassment of your opponent's workers to slow their resource gathering. Simultaneously, maintain strong base defenses to repel any early aggression, ensuring your economy remains stable and growing. As the game progresses into the mid-stage, macro and micro management become paramount. Expanding your base to secure additional gold and lumber mines is essential for sustaining a larger army. Focus on leveling your hero to at least level 3 or 4, unlocking powerful abilities that can turn the tide of battles. Carefully manage your unit composition, ensuring you have the right counters for your opponent's forces. Effective use of spellcasters, like shamans or sorceresses, can provide crucial crowd control and damage output. In the late game, victory often hinges on superior execution and strategic decisions. Transition to powerful, high-tier units like frost worms or mountain giants to maximize your army's combat potential. During engagements, practice focus firing on key enemy units, such as heroes or spellcasters, to quickly neutralize their impact. Strategic use of town portals and scrolls of protection can save your army or turn a losing battle. Finally, maintaining strong map control denies your opponent vital resources and scouting information, paving the way for your ultimate triumph.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.